Modern black metal tones aren't that hard to understand at face value. You know, we need aggression, we need balls, we want to get that evil put across in the music and we want it to sound amazing, right? The issue generally comes with trying to get these sounds out of an amp simulator at a time when it's not appropriate. What I mean by this is you have a riff, you're pretty jazzed with it, you want to record it, so you open up your session and then you open up the amp simulator, then you're like, okay, let me create the tone really quick. And then 30 minutes later, you have the guitar sitting on your lap, your leg is going numb, and you still haven't recorded the riff. So instead of getting something like this, you spent your entire evening tone crafting, which is cool, but again, not when you want to write music. Now, the tones that I just played for you were from Neural DSP Omega Granifier, and they were 100% a preset. No post-processing, no extra EQ, no tricks or anything happening else in the session. In fact, not even a magical mastering chain, as you can see here with the screenshot. It's literally just a limiter. Now, the reason that I did this is kind of what I just explained earlier in the video. You have an idea for a riff, you want to record it, and you want it to sound good. And these days, I don't generally have a lot of time where I can just spend a couple hours fucking around with the amp sim before recording my riffs. I pretty much, oh, this is cool, I need to open Cubase and I need to record the riff pretty much right away with a sound that I really like. So instead of doing that every time, loading the amp sim, blah, 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 I decided just to take a couple of days, look at some bands that I really like from the modern black metal era, and then recreate the essence of that sound in Omega Granifier. Essentially, I wanted an arsenal of tones that would fit the mood and the vibe of whatever I'm writing, so that I can just open Cubase, start recording, and la-di-da. So when you take all that into consideration, it kind of is dumb. If you have a riff and you have things that you want to record, it's kind of silly to take yourself out of that creative space and then put yourself into this technical experimental phase where you need to start doing different creative tasks to build a tone that you like. I think it makes more sense to have tones at the ready that already puts you in the space that you want to be so you can continue to be more creative. That's essentially why I wanted to create these presets for myself, and now I'm making this video because I'm going to make these presets available to you. Now obviously I can sit here and talk about it. I've showed you one preset so far. What do the other ones sound like? Well, here's another preset. Now, just because these are built for rhythm guitars, it actually turns out nicely that you can mix and match all of these presets, of which there are 10. You can create rhythm guitar tones here, and you can use the same preset pack to create leads. They actually mix and match very well together, and I'll prove it to you. Here's an example. It's the same preset pack, nothing different. We have rhythms and leads together at the same time. Same thing, no extra EQ, no magic anything, no mix bus processing that I'm not showing you guys. It's literally just the preset. Load and go. I know you guys watch my channel for mixing advice about new products and things that can help you make your mix sound better. I get all that. That's awesome. I really appreciate you. However, I've gotten many emails over the years where folks are just like, listen, I don't want to be a mix engineer. I don't want to waste my time doing that. I'm not interested in that. Can you just create something that I can use today right now so I can write my songs for myself and they sound cool? And in my opinion, that's absolutely valid, and you're right. I really want to make sure that I have resources for anyone who watches my channel. So that's literally what this preset pack is for. It's for you if you don't have any time. You just got home Friday, or today's Saturday, I guess. You just got home Saturday, you want to sit down, write a riff, have a beer, and you just are not interested in any kind of tone crafting. You just want to write music. That's what this preset pack is literally for. It's for creating music with presets that sound awesome. So if you want to check it out, it's called Modern Black Metal Tones Volume 1. It's built specifically for Neural DSP Omega Granifier. That's all you need. You don't need any other IRs. You don't need any other plugins. Just preset pack, load it, go, and you're done. Built to work so you don't waste any more time. Speaking of wasting time, that's the end of this video. So click the link below in the description box, grab the preset pack, and start riffing. All right, that's it. See you in the next video.